If there's one accessory you're going to want to get in your Tesla, it's a screen protector. Welcome back to the channel, Dan here from Norton Tesla. So if you're going to get one accessory for your Tesla, it has to be a screen protector. I know people who, once they got their car, they left the one that comes with the car, the little plastic one, in their car for weeks until they got a proper screen protector. Now, I'm not saying that the Tesla screen is easily cracked or scratched. However, it is a big repair. It's at least $1,300 to replace that screen. So why not get peace of mind? And before I had a screen protector, I was always worrying. I have a wife with purses. I have kids playing beach buggy. So, oh dear God, the kids. You want to protect that screen, and why not do it with a screen protector? And this one is from Jowua, and it's probably one of the best screen protectors I've seen on the market so far. So let me explain. Before I do though, please take a second and subscribe. All right, so why is this the best screen protector? Well, let me explain. Remember back in the day when smartphones first came out, they all had screen protectors and you had to install it and you had to like line it up perfectly and you could never do it. It always came in a pack of 3 and you end up using 2 because you messed up and now you're down to your last one and you finally got it right. But then they came out with guides, which like was a game changer for me anyways. I can actually put a screen protector on the first time and get it right. So when I first got my car, the screen protector for the Tesla didn't have, you have to line up the tabs, which was okay, but didn't get a perfect job. Why this one is the best screen protector is the installation process. It is so easy. So before I could do though, let's just explain. Basically, it's 9-inch tempered glass, which is going to be tough as nails, extreme clarity and anti-glare and anti-fingerprint. So there's 2 designs. There's one for gloss, which is going to be basically what it looks like on your screen without a protector on. So basically a glossy finish or a matte finish. I prefer the matte finish. It gets rid of that glare a lot, better for watching movies, stuff like that. So let me show you how easy it is to install this. Screen clean mode, display. So we are going to, this is the ASMR portion of the show. Behold, a brand new screen. So we are going to get our Jowua tempered glass screen protector for Model 3 and Y. You got easy installation, anti-glare, high hardness, 9H, high transparency, and anti-fingerprint. This is the gloss version. Instructions on the back, as you can see, they're super easy. My experience from phones anyways is that when there is a guide like this one, it makes it so much easier. So let's go ahead and start this out. So this is it's all wrapped in together. So this is our kit to be able to clean the thing. This is the guy that we're going to throw on. This is just styrofoam. So basically you're just going to snap this on and it's going to be so easy, I think. Let's just put this aside. So we're going to open up our screen kit. I love the packaging from Jowua. It's very so we're going to take alcohol first and we're going to wash the screen. Actually, the screen had the protector on first, so the factory protector, so it's still already pretty clean. I'm going to wipe this with the microfiber. I'm going to take one of the dust removers. All right, so we're going to take this. We're going to literally peel the sticker off. And we're going to stick this and line it up. So it's in. we're just going to do like this. Put some pressure. So, so there's a little tab here, just pull that out. All right, so we have that. So then we want to take this. Oh, how perfect is that? So the bubbles I was seeing was just from this film, and the actual screen protector is already on. I don't see any bubbles, but I'm just gonna put in one. Yeah. So that's really easy. You know, Alt exit. There you go. Perfect. It's like you can't even see it's there. All right, so as you can see, this thing is flawless. It looks amazing. You can hardly even tell there's a screen protector there, which is amazing. It's got anti-glare, anti-fingerprint, really hard. You're not going to get scratches on it because it's 9H glass, so that's awesome. And the best part is it's only $38. So think about that investment. You can either replace the screen for $1,300 or a $38 screen protector. So definitely, I highly recommend this one. You can't go wrong. If you want to get yourself one of these, head over to jowua-life.com. I'll have the link in the description, and use code JWEU for 5% off your entire order. And check out all their other accessories, tons of amazing cool stuff. I've reviewed a bunch of them, so also check out my channel. I'll have the playlist up here. All right, so thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week. Tons of how-tos, reviews, awesome Tesla content, tips and tricks. All right, so all right, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week. If there's one accessory you're gonna, if there's one accessory you're gonna. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. So yes, if there are any, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. So yes, if there's one accessory you're gonna want, so if you're gonna get, you had your big smartphone and they had